Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Just want to do a quick video today. Subscriber request. Somebody asked if I would show how to change the rubbers on your Glad hands. Hey, that's no problem. We can do that. Forgot your name. Sorry about that. If you have something you'd like demonstrated for you, don't hesitate to shoot me a message. Leave it in the comments or drop me an email at diysemi@yahoo.com, and I'll try my best to accommodate you if I can. If it's something I can do and we got the time, we'll do it for you. Pretty simple job. You just need to get some new rubbers here. These are just red and blue. These are what they had in the truck stop. Most of them are black. No big deal. The color don't matter. These happen to be polyurethane. So first, let's grab one of our airlines here. Trying to do this around the corner of my truck because it's so windy outside. Sorry about the audio. This is our blue airline service line. See how cruddy that is and damaged? These will leak air. Need to keep up on them, keep them nice. You don't need any air leaks. It's a safety issue. Just taking a flathead screwdriver. You can use a knife. You can use whatever you want. Just gonna pry that thing out of there. It pops right out, real nice. And then we'll take one of our new ones here. We'll just keep them color coordinated for sake of everything being pretty. Let's see what that looks like in there. We got this here, the bigger lip, and then a smaller lip, the groove in between. The smaller part here goes inside. Just gonna put it in there, press it in, and there you go. We're good. I actually personally, I prefer the black ones. This will get us by for now. It's just as good. So, yeah, that's just that easy. And that'll solve your air leak problem, hopefully. And if there's something you'd like to see done, shoot me a message. We'll get it taken care of.